I'm back here. So what I did first, I cleaned up the back of the computer as well as the speaker. Actually sanitized it because I used some wipes in here. And what I did with the speaker is I covered like so. This one speaker on the left, same thing as the one on the right there on top. And secured the cardboard with electric tape. And on the bottom, that's where you can see the electric tape securing the cardboard at the bottom because the vibrating portion of the speaker is at the bottom. Same thing with the other side. Okay, and now is the time of reckoning. It's the moment of accounting. Okay, sorry about that, but we're going to try if we're going to get any better result here. I haven't put in the cover. The cover is still right there on top of the sofa. I remove it. It's a unitized cover. It's right here. Okay, that's the one. I have to put it back, and it's possible that the interference, the magnetic one, is being affected by this cover because this is also made of metal. Right there, as you can hear, it's made of metal. Unitized one. Hopefully, let's see what will happen with this Samsung. Do I have to junk it, buy another one, or I hope it works? Okay, I'll see you. Well, let's see. Because what I'm going to do, I don't have my cable service anymore. I had it suspended or stopped. I do have a Chromecast at the back, and I'm going to use my smartphone as a controller. Here's the Chromecast thing right there. So I'm going to go to a YouTube program, broadcast it through the Chromecast that is connected with the Samsung. So let me put in the Samsung right there. Let's see how it goes on. Oh, you hear that? Now I have to go with the controller, with the smartphone. Okay, so I have to stop here for the moment because the one that's taking the recording this video is also the smartphone I'm going to use as the controller for my Chromecast. Okay.